Hey there, my name is Matt McGillicuddy, and I have recently discovered the joys of building gaming PCs. And so this is my first build, and I really enjoyed it. And so what I'd like to do is sort of sell this build for the parts that I paid for it and move on to the next build, which I think I'll challenge myself a little bit more. So in the following few slides, I'm going to show you a little bit about the system and hopefully answer any questions you have. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the next slide is the build I used. Now I always feel like you need to give some kind of theory craft when you do a build. And so the build I wanted to do on this would be a not so expensive gaming PC that could basically run everything. I built it in a large, very airy case, the Corsair 4000D airflow case, which unfortunately I broke the glass side. But if you do purchase it, I'll get you a new side for that. Even if I have to buy a new case, I'll go ahead and put that side on it. So that will be repaired. So again, this is not your highest end gaming PC, but it will run everything basically. I ran from Battlefield 5 to Cyberpunk to about everything you could try to run on this, and the temperatures were super cool, and it ran really well in 1080p. It's not a 4K machine at all. So again, it's got the Corsair 4000D airflow case. It's got the ASRock B550 Phantom gaming motherboard with the Ryzen 3 4000 series CPU. It's got the ASRock RX 6600 graphics card. It's got a Windows 11 key, although right now it's got an unregistered Windows 10 on it, just so I can do some testing and stuff. And I'll let you handle all the Windows keys, but you'll get the original in-package Windows key to use. It's got a 750 watt. It's got the ETS T50 RGB CPU cooler, so you could upgrade that chip very, very easily. That cooling is really, really good, so you could easily go to the Ryzen 7 or the Ryzen 9, although the motherboard doesn't support that. Ryzen 5 is about as high as you can go on that. Then it's got the 750 watt power bronze rated power supply, so you can obviously have a lot more room to upgrade the graphics card if you want to. It's got dual channel RAM, two 8 gigabyte Owl RAM cards, and then it's got a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD hard drive, and you cannot use the old SATA M2 drives. It's got to be the NVMe. I found that out the hard way. So it runs great. The next few slides are going to show you my attempt at cable management and the one piece of RGB that I do have in the system. It's got an exhaust fan on the front and on the back, and here you can see basically the entire internals of the system. And then here's a shot of the front of the case. You can see the missing side panel, which I will replace when you purchase it. And the top I/O has the power button, a USB 3, and some headphone jacks and stuff. But there's a lot of I/O on the back that I don't have a picture of. But if you want one, let me know. And here are all of the boxes that you will get if you purchase it. Everything here is brand new. I just put this together in the last few days, so you will get all of those boxes. And then here is some pictures of here's League of Legends. I don't know how well you can see it, running just as max as you can get. And then I ran New World as well, and it looked like it limited it at 60 frames per second, but I'm sure it could run higher than that because all the power supplies, there was a lot of room left, but I couldn't figure out how to get it. Obviously, I've never overclocked this or anything like that. And then here is Elden Ring running very, very easily on this machine. I also ran Battlefield 5 and Cyberpunk, but for some reason couldn't get the overlay to work very well. So that is it. If you're interested, go ahead and respond to the advertisement I placed. Thanks for watching.